In this video, I'm going to share a really simple method that you can use today to earn $10 in 20 minutes over and over. So we'll go over exactly how this works. I'll show you how you set everything up. And look, you do not need any experience, you do not need any skills, and you do not need any money to get started with this. So the website I'm going to be sharing with you today, they started in 2012. They currently operate in over 150 countries and they've worked with some absolutely huge companies. And this is just a few. So you can see we've got Musical.ly, we've got the New York Times, and we've also got Xerox, and there's many more, and I'll share some more in the video with you. Now make sure you watch this video till the end because we'll go over step by step exactly how this works. So by the end of the video you'll know how it works, but more importantly you'll know how to get everything set up and how you can start earning money with this website. I'll also share some testimonials with you, and then I'll share with you a little simple tip or hack that you can use to make more money with this. So let's jump into today's video and I'll show you this really simple method to make $10 in 20 minutes. But before all of that, if you like simple ways to make money online and work from home, then subscribe to the channel and hit notifications, and then you'll always know when I've uploaded a new video. And if you want some free resources to make money online, come over to my blog and check out my free members area. All of the things that you see on the screen right now, they're all absolutely free and waiting for you. Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So in this video we're going to go over a method that you can use to earn $10 in 20 minutes, and you can actually earn more, but $10 was the lowest amount that you can expect to earn in 20 minutes. So I'll show you this, but I'll also show you how you can actually earn more money with this method. So the website we're going to be looking at today is this one here, and it's called bettertesting.com. Now on here you see all these companies here. How it works is big companies come over to Better Testing when they've got a new app, a new website, a new page on the website, a new product that they want testing, and they will come over to Better Testing and they will hand it all over to these guys, and then we go and test these products. And how it works is they're looking for feedback on their app or their website. They're looking for, is the website laid out correctly? Does it all make sense? Is there anything missing? Etc. etc. They're just after some open and honest feedback, and that is where we come into play. So this is just the home page of the website. So you can see on here, every device, every platform, everywhere. So at this moment in time, Better Testing, you can see on here, they currently have over 150,000 users registered on here, so they can offer feedback to lots of big companies because of the number of people on the platform. And if you scroll down here, I'll just show you this. You've got some testimonials on here from people who have used Better Testing in the past. So this is all nice, but we're not interested in this, are we? Let's be honest. We're interested in this part here, join as a beta tester. So you click on there and it opens up into this page here. Oh no, it doesn't. I'm lying to you, that's the about page. It opens up here. Become a beta tester. So how it works is you simply sign up with an email, and then once you've got your email, you'll get that in your inbox, and then you just need to go ahead and confirm that you are a real person, you're signing up. Then once you've confirmed your email, well, it's basically broken down into 3 steps. Step 1 is you test new apps, websites and hardware. Step 2 is you complete the tasks and you give feedback, and if there's any bugs on there or anything, you report this. And then step 3 is you earn the money, and you can see on here, earn $10 to $20 for most tests or more. So $10 is pretty much the minimum, $20 is how much you can earn up to, and you can see you can earn more money, and I'll show you how you can do that in a little bit. So that is basically the simple sign up process. Now there's a couple of things to note on here. You must be over 18 years of age. Oh, you can't even see that. You must be over 18 years of age. You must be able to speak and write fluently in English, and you must own a PC, Mac or any other device required for a specific test, and it's that simple. Now how many of these tests can you expect a month? Well, you can see here you may receive anywhere, there's a spelling mistake there, you may receive anywhere from 0 to 5 opportunities every month. So look, this is not going to replace your full-time income or your job. This is just an additional way to make some really simple money online and from home. And you can see here, payments are made via PayPal 7 days after the end of a project. And this basically allows Better Testing to go ahead and check your feedback and make sure it's all done correctly, and then obviously that gets sent off to the owners or the people who want their products testing, and then they will go through that and review it and then give you your feedback. So that is basically how this website works here. So you go through this. Now let me go and show you this. So in terms of use cases and customers, you can go back and have a look at previous tests and different, beta testers and what they were actually doing. So you can go in and have a read of these. So you've got some case studies on here. So you can go and have a look at this case study, this one, this one, this one, and it tells you exactly, what they were doing, how they did it. So look at this one here. So they ran a successful playtest prior to launching their early access Steam game. So this one here, you'll have been testing a game, playing a game and giving your feedback on here. And if you go through here, you can have a read of this and see exactly what was, what was required of people and how they did this. And this will go through absolutely everything. So you feel free to go ahead and have a read of some of these previous ones on here if you want to see, exactly how this works and what you will be doing and what you won't be doing. Now, in terms of the payments, let's come out with this one. I'll show you the payments page. Let's go down here, scroll down, and I'll go into the frequently asked questions for you, and I'll show you this so you know exactly how you get paid. So let's just go get paid. So you do get paid via PayPal. When do I get paid? I'll just very quickly show you this so you can see it was updated over a week ago. So you will get paid after each campaign is complete and we've reviewed your feedback. This typically takes around 2 weeks. So you can be waiting up to 2 weeks to earn your money for doing these reviews, these app testings, playing computer games, etc, etc. So let me come out of here. So this here, I'll drop a link to this for you as well. This is on the help page, and this basically goes through its 7 steps for basically signing up, what you need to do, what you don't need to do, and how you can start applying for these different opportunities over on the website. So that is pretty much it. So as you can see on here, complete payment, pay directly through our platform. So it's all done via PayPal basically. Now, when I was doing a bit of research for this video this morning, I looked at lots of different articles about beta testing. Now, there's a couple of points for you to note on here, and I found this one here. So I'll drop a link to this here. This is on a website called 9 to 5 Work Online. So you see on here, the company has 3 forms of payment. You're paid by PayPal, and then you can also choose to receive Karma points, which you can later be applied to join higher paying focus groups. So this is pretty cool because what happens is, within beta testing, they have obviously focus groups, and in order to go and get those, there's some different points and different criteria that you need. Some of them will depend on how long you've been active on the platform. Some of them will obviously depend on your location and thing. But if you've got so many of these Karma points, well, you can actually take these Karma points and exchange them so you can then go and join these higher paying focus groups. And that's pretty cool. So effectively, you're going to be able to hijack your way into these higher paying focus groups. Now you can see on here, it says down here, the company pays $0 to $25 for each beta test, and I'll drop a link to this article below for you. Feel free, you can go ahead and check this out. There's another thing to highlight on here. Beta testing used to be called early bird, and it was created, as we mentioned, it was created in 2012. So I'll drop a link to this article below for you. So that is today's video, and this is just one website that you can use to go ahead and find these different opportunities to make money online testing products. Now, this is beta testing. There's numerous more of these websites where you can go and sign up. Another one is, let me think of one for you. So we've got beta testing, we've got Userlytics. This is another website. You can go over to Userlytics. Let me scroll down here and find the actual website for you. Where the heck is it? Oh, sorry, it's because I've done review. Let me go to Userlytics website. You can go over to this one, you see, remote user testing platform. It works very similar to beta testing. You come over here, you sign up, and you can go through and test different products, different platforms, websites, etc, etc. And basically, you can earn money from this website as well. So, and what you'll find on all of these different websites and companies you go to, whether it's Userlytics, whether it's beta testing, they all work with big companies. Like over on this one here, this Userlytics, you can see they've worked with Microsoft, Google, Philips, L'Oreal. There's lots of these on here, and they're all really simple process. So if we go up here and go test a login, oh no, sorry, I'm lying, not test a login, test the sign up. You go over to test the sign up, and it shows you again exactly how you do it. So over on Userlytics, get paid to test websites and apps. register and earn money, interact with a mobile app, get paid via PayPal. Really simple. This one here, you've got to be over 16 years of age. But look, I've not done too much research into userlytics. Well, maybe that's for another video at a later date. But that's just 2 different websites that you can use to test apps and websites and get paid. Now, I found an article over on this website here called Money Pantry, and this on here, it's got 25 companies that pay you to test websites. So if you scroll down here, you will find, funnily enough, 25 different websites, and walk through what you need, what you don't need, etc. But there's 25 of these. So you've got Usability Hub, you've got User Zoom, User Brain, Validately, Startup Lift, Try My UI. That's a pretty decent website. We've got User Field. Userlytics is the one we're just looking at. We've got User Testing. There's what users, as you can see, there's lots of these. You've got Enroll. We've looked at that on the channel before. That's a pretty decent website that you can use. Test, testing, etc., etc. So if you're interested in making money online, testing out apps and websites, then go over to this Money Pantry, go through, have a look at the different articles on here, and we've only covered 2 today. Now, one final thing I'll say to you is, if you're going to go down this route to make some money online, then set up a completely separate email, because what will happen with all of these companies, whenever an opportunity becomes available for you, 9 times out of 10 they will email you. So if you got a separate email, you'll pretty much see that straight away. Whereas if you just send that to your normal email, maybe you'd miss that email. It'd get mixed up with all the usual stuff what's happening. So create a separate email account and have them all sent over to that. So that is today's video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please give the video a like for me. If you like simple and easy ways to make money online, then subscribe to the channel and hit notifications. Have a great day. Thanks for watching, and I shall see you tomorrow.